Friday, June 17th, 2022. It's 98 degrees and we're getting ready to embark on the Blue Ridge Parkway journey. Gonna leave and do the first 30 miles or so today and then the other 439 over the next week. On the way to the Blue Ridge Parkway, had to stop and get a beer.
Get that
Got the logo there?
Yeah.
There we go. Power was out, but we still got a beer anyway. Cool. It's almost pitch dark, but it doesn't look it in the camera. It's 10 till 9. End of day 0. 23 miles in the books. The prologue. Day 1 or day 0 was 23 miles. It is now 6 a.m. on day 1, Saturday, June 18th. Got my clothes attempting to dry. The sun is just trying to come up, and I'm gonna have me a cup of coffee. 15 miles into day 2. Been in this tunnel of trees, shaded area the whole time. A lot of downhill. 65 degrees this morning. So comfortable, so pretty. Mostly clear sky. I've seen maybe 3 cars and about a dozen cyclists. It is an absolute perfect day to be cycling. Finally got a little hill to contend with. Averaging 18.5 miles an hour the first 15 miles, which is incredible given first 23 we averaged about 13 miles an hour. It's been rather windy, but it's blowing sort of all directions, swirling. Sometimes it's helpful, sometimes it's not, but it's just an absolutely beautiful day. Got to our first road closure. We decided to go through it. We think it's just some trees down. Here's one that's been fallen. Got a 15-mile place where the parkway is closed to traffic, but we hope it's open to cyclists. This right here is what it's all about. So many beautiful views up here. Just gotta stop and look at them. Just made it through the road closed 15 miles and some trees were down, but they've been moved already. So we're through it. This can't go on much longer. I am 8.5 miles in. Started at the James River, 690 feet, and we got to go up to 3,800. And I don't know how long we've been climbing, but it's been no break. Great views, but it's just a climb. Completed that freaking ride, that climb to roughly 3,900 feet. Took, I don't know, a couple hours. Beat as hell. About 11 miles. And here comes Big Ed. Day 2 is beginning. Let's stay at Peaks of Otter last night. There's the lake. We got about just 40 miles to go to Roanoke through a detour. But a fantastic place with Peaks of Otter. And we got some cars. No fog, snow, or ice to worry about today. 100 miles on the Parkway. Today is another beautiful, gorgeous day. Low 60s, sunny, a little bit of wind, but just absolutely perfect, very little traffic. Almost to Asheville, not too much farther. Got to the detour, but our direction said turn somewhere else, so we have our backtracking, and we've got to get down to that road somehow. There's not a real way down to it, so this will be interesting to see what happens. We'll let them figure it out. There's the Parkway. Came through that fence. Somehow we got to get through that barbed wire fence and into that road right there so we can continue. So we decided to get a beer at Old Salem Brewery in Roanoke, and we still got 4 or 5 more miles to go. Nice little pub. Now we're going to grab some burgers and brew. There you go. 3 IPAs and pizza later.
Yeah.
And we got
We're on a video, you mean?
4
you
miles to
you're taking
go.
a picture and we're like there posing.
4 miles to go to the hotel.
4.6.
All right.